cooking. And listen closely. Look at that pan. The one you use every single morning. The one that makes everything slide off. Like magic. They sold it to you as the ultimate breakthrough in convenience. They lied to you. That utensil isn't for cooking. It is military-grade technology. It was a catastrophic mistake during the race to build the atomic bomb in the Manhattan Project. The government needed something capable of withstanding the brutal corrosion of radioactive uranium, and they found this compound, indestructible, chemically eternal. Do you understand what that means? When that pan touches the fire, the material doesn't burn, it fractures at a molecular level, and you, without knowing it, are inhaling the remnants of a nuclear weapon. No exhaust fan will save you. You are filling your lungs and your blood with particles the human body simply cannot eliminate. They are designed to last forever. And right now, they are living inside your tissues. The corporations knew this from day one. They had the reports, but the profits were too massive to stop. And you were the final piece of the puzzle. They made you dependent on a technology that is completely incompatible with your biology. Want to know if you have this in your blood? You don't need a doctor. Just look at how you feel after eating. This isn't a coincidence. It is the direct consequence of trusting an industry that prioritizes its profit over your survival. In the next few seconds, I am going to open your eyes. I'm going to show you how a molecular hell unfolds in your kitchen every time you turn on the stove. If you care about your health, don't you dare move. MayBor unearths what no one wants you to know, and what comes next is so brutal that after hearing it, that pan will never touch a flame in your home again. The charade ends today. But the deception didn't end at the factory. The deception lives in your house, because the chemical companies knew something they never told you. The thermal stability of this material is a lie, designed for marketing. They told you it was safe for cooking, but they deliberately hid the toxicity reports proving that once it surpasses 260 degrees Celsius, the coating collapses. It doesn't melt, it disintegrates. It turns into an invisible gas that fills your kitchen. And here comes the part that makes any scientist shudder. That gas doesn't just attack your lungs, it infiltrates your bloodstream and alters your endocrine system. You are cooking your food on a molecular battlefield. The corporations have known this since the 1960s. They had the data, they had the autopsies from the test animals, and above all, they had the power to silence any dissenting voice. They created a monopoly of convenience, where you are both the customer and the victim. Do you really think that cheap supermarket pan meets actual safety standards? It's Russian roulette. Every time the fire heats the metal, the atomic structure of your pan fractures, launching invisible particles directly into your eggs, your meat, your vegetables. There's no way to see them. There's no way to avoid them. You are consuming industrial waste, as if it were part of a balanced diet. The industry created the dependency, created the need, and above all, created a way so you would never blame them, but rather your own carelessness when cleaning or using metal utensils. They made you believe the problem was that you scratched the pan, when the real problem is that this pan should have never come into contact with a household stove. The charade runs so deep that even the experts who should be warning you are funded by the exact same network that manufactures these pans. It's a closed system, designed so you never escape. And what awaits you in the next part will make you question if there's a single safe product left in your pantry. Listen to me carefully. It's not a chemical product. It's an industrial parasite. They call it a forever chemical because your body has absolutely no way to defend itself. There is no liver, no kidney, no diet in this world capable of flushing out what that pan deposits into your system. Every time you cook, an invisible layer of toxic residue clings to your food and travels straight into your tissues. And this is what nobody wants you to know. These compounds don't just accumulate. They infiltrate your endocrine system. They are massive hormonal disruptors. They are actively rewriting how your cells function. Do you feel tired all the time? Is your metabolism unresponsive? Does your health feel out of control? Stop looking for the cause at the gym or the supermarket. The source of your physical decline was sitting there every morning, right over the flame. The industry deceived you by using technical jargon so you'd lower your guard. But the court-sealed reports they paid to keep quiet prove the truth. They knew this destroyed human health from day one. They sold your well-being for a profit margin. And the worst part is your own complicity. You keep using that pan because it's easy. You've traded your biological integrity for 5 minutes of less effort washing dishes. It's the darkest business model in history. They sell you the poison, charge you for it, and make you believe it's your own fault when you get sick. The evidence is right there, written in the multi-million-dollar lawsuits they've had to pay just to keep this information away from the masses. Your body is a molecular battlefield, and you are losing the war over a simple plate of food. And if you think this ends when you turn off the stove, you are about to discover the ultimate mistake you make every time you try to clean up that mess. Look at your pan right now. Do you see those spots? Those micro scratches that seem insignificant? That's not wear and tear from use. It's a breach in your defense system. The industry has brainwashed you into believing you're the one to blame for using a metal fork. False. They sold you a material that is thermally incompatible with fire. The metal of the pan expands as it heats up. The coating does not. It's a physical war that you lose every time you ignite the stove. Those cracks are the gateway for the base metal to oxidize and for the poison to seep directly into your food. And here is the most cynical part. They designed the product to fail. It is planned obsolescence with biological side effects. They know that in 6 months, the pan will stop being non-stick. And that's exactly where they have you trapped. They make you feel like you are the problem. Like you don't know how to take care of your things. So you'll run back to the store to buy another one. It's the perfect cycle of cash and poison. You are paying to make yourself sick. You are paying so they can keep manufacturing the exact same toxic garbage that is destroying you. And they laugh while you, with all the innocence in the world, try to care for a surface that, by design, is destined to kill you. Enough is enough. This isn't a careless mistake. It's a direct attack on your health and the health of your family. And if you think this is just taking care of the pan, it's because you haven't yet seen what lies beneath that black layer. Open your eyes, because in the next part I'm going to give you the only real solution, something the brands will never tell you, because it would drive them into bankruptcy. Listen to me. The pan isn't the problem. The problem is your obedience. As long as you keep buying what the industry dictates, you will remain their guinea pig. Do you want to end this? Throw that plastic trash away today, not tomorrow. Today. The solution is cast iron or pure stainless steel. The trick? Physics, not chemistry. Heat the steel over medium heat. Drop a little water. If the drop dances and rolls around like mercury, the metal has sealed its pores. Right there is your natural non-stick surface. No chemicals, no molecular fractures, no poison coursing through your veins. This lasts 100 years, not 6 months. This isn't a product. It's a legacy. The industry hates you for this because it doesn't force you to go back to the store. They want you as a consumer. They want you sick. They want you dependent. Show them they can't control you anymore. If this video opened your eyes, don't just hit like. Share it with that person who is still cooking on a scratched pan. You could be saving their life. And subscribe to MayBor. Because here, we don't sell convenience. We sell the truth they are trying to bury. Let me know in the comments. What everyday object do you think is hiding the next big lie? Because if you think this is bad, wait until you see what they're hiding in the rest of your house. The war against the charade starts right now. You choose. Do you remain a victim, or do you take back control? See you in the next video.